a messy day. Yesterday we started on this and didn't video it, but today we're gonna complete. We're running a little temporary electric fence. Basically what we're gonna do is gonna go from that gate right over there all the way up and around and all the way to the other side to another paddock on the other side of the farm. And you know, stand by. We'll show you what we're doing as we go across, because we're trying to move the cows from this paddock, which has no grass, to that paddock over there that has grass all the way up to your waist. So here we go. Usually you push in with your foot in the ground. Just get over there. And what you're going to do is go in that third one just like you did. And now pull it up and go into the, is it the second one from the top, Jeremy? Yeah,
yes.
It is, yeah. Yes. We're going to go right here. Pull it a little tight, and we're going to go right here. Okay, like that. And then we're going to go back. Now we're going to go back. And now you're going to put all of them in the second hole. Okay, but all the way back to the other side. Now watch that, and it's loose, Jeremy, because it just fell. You have to keep it tipped like that. There's got to be something better for that. I don't know. We got something not right. I don't know. We'll figure it out. When you get right there, put a pull on it and get it tight, Jimmy. I'll do it too.
It's better to just keep a finger on it. Right now, like we've got it done.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
So roll it.
Hey, I need to do another twist right there too.
We need another, we got more stobs.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
We need another one probably right
The four-wheeler, go ahead and go get the four-wheeler, okay? And bring it around here, because we're gonna need to put more stobs in it we go too.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, we need to wrap that in around one too, yeah. So we get the tension. I don't guess it hurt anything to do that. I mean, it shouldn't.
I mean, the whole post is insulated, so I mean,
yeah,
the whole post made out of the same thing.
Right.
I can't pull that too tight.
I get it.
You gotta have another hand.
I get it.
I mean, honestly, putting another one in the middle will help a lot.
Oh yeah, that is for it.
That's a new one, put two in. Take it all away. I don't know if we're gonna have enough wire.
Yeah.
We need to do the perimeter of the property.
Yeah, I know. I think we could with what we got.
Well, we got another 1,000 foot on the next two rows.
I know. I know.
All right, so I just want y'all to know, doing the camera thing is tough with what we're doing right now because we've had to walk all over this field to be able to get all this stuff done. And it's just been really, really tough to move the camera, get everything done, pull everything tight. So we'll just kind of update y'all once we're done setting everything up and let you know.
I'll get it. What we're doing, we got to get our paddock, well, our electric fence, you know, is on the left side and the right side, and we got two separate runs, so we've got to have a wire to go from one side to the other. So we're running a little green wire right here. I don't know if you can see that or not in the video. Maybe you can, I hope. And we're going to take, I know you think, well, the cows will trip over it, so what we're going to do is put these, I got some heavy duty pieces of rug right here that I can just lay right there, so that the cows won't trip over them and they can just step on that rug all the way across. I got enough of them to go all the way across, I think. So you're getting 7,000. So it's working okay.
Well, I wonder if it wasn't, we shouldn't connect it to this when you connect it to the fence. I wonder if there wasn't something shorting out when you connected additional one to the fence.
Maybe.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
What you could do is, hold this. Like, that's off. So what we'll do is just kind of like this right here.
Is it working?
Problem is this fence somewhere. It's not working.
It's not working. So let's go see what's going on.
Is the reel grounded out? That's what I'm curious.
Maybe so. That might be what.
Take a look.
Let's go. It has to be on the real end. Can you keep it tight and just leave it hanging?
Yeah, maybe 2,000 to 3,000.
Okay, that's enough.
Test that side just to make sure it's working.
It's on, right?
Yep, just turned it on.
Yeah, it's working.
Come on, come on. Here they come. Here they come, right here. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I'm afraid these are going. Can you come run these off while I hold the gate open?
Get in.
Come on. Go behind that one, Caleb. Hip, hip, hip. Come on. Got her.
I grabbed that electric fence and it felt like I shocked myself on my shoe on the floor.
Really?
There's nothing.
Nothing to it.
So we need one, and honestly, we need two.
Yeah.
We're gonna use two next time we do that.
Hey, Jeremy. Hey, do we have another piece of that heavy wire?
You just drop it on the ground behind us. It'll kind of hook you. Well, okay.
One of our previous videos, we did this over there on that far side. We might have to try to do a flashback to show y'all where we fixed that fence before, but right now we're just trying to fill this big old hole in. So there's a huge hole right there. And what we did, we just took this piece of angle, this stuff, and just cut the corner off of it. And we're just setting the corner right down into that hole. Just going to angle this over into it. I mean, it don't look pretty, but it's functional. That's all we're really worried about right now.
We got to do that corner over there too.
That'll keep the cows from getting out, you know. So okay, go ahead.